Hey guys, and welcome back to Inside Investing, and today we're going to be giving you the portfolio update of February 2022. Let's go! Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today, as promised, we're going to give you the portfolio update of February 2022. It's the end of Feb, so you might even be seeing this early March. But that doesn't really matter. We really want to show you how our portfolio is doing, because honestly we haven't uploaded in a while, so really want to showcase to you how much money have we made. I think currently there's quite a market crash. Honestly, there's a lot of things happening in the world, so we're gonna be showing you how much money we've made. As you know, we're using DEGIRO, so that's the current home screen that you're seeing. So this is the screen in which you enter when you open your DEGIRO website. They also have a lovely app, so feel free to use that as well. But as you see, I've opened the market, so here you can see all sorts of information about the overall market. As we're located in the Netherlands, you can see the Amsterdam Stock Exchange over there. But of course you can have all sorts of different information on your home screen. But let's go directly to our portfolio, because that's what you want to see. So over here you see all of the stocks that we have, all of the shares that we currently own. And it's currently being split up in the shares and the trackers, the ETFs. And as you know, we have a very heavy strategy on ETFs. So the main thing that we want to invest in are ETFs, not separate shares. But yeah, we needed to have one separate share. So for now, that's Coca-Cola. In the future, we might also buy Apple, and we might buy Meta as well, the company of Facebook, of course, and Tesla as well. So those are a few companies that we're thinking about of buying in the future as well. So leave any suggestions of stocks that you think we should look into down at the comment section below. Also, if you haven't done so already, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. That helps out the channel grow, and that allows us to give you more insight into investing and help everyone invest in a better and more effective way. So as mentioned, we've got Coca-Cola on top. We currently own two shares of Coca-Cola at a price of $62, which actually gives us around a 12.5% profit. So that's already, I would say, a great start.
Nice.
Honestly. But then looking into the trackers, the ETFs that we own, these are actually quite a lot. So let's sort them from smallest to largest. So this is the value of the holding. So in this case, we own 10 of the digital security ETF, which is from iShares. And because we own 10 and they're traded at around 6.2 euros, so that's a 62 euro value. Which is around minus 3.3% profit. It's not actually a loss, I needed to say, to 3.3% loss, which is not too bad. And we're not selling for now, so that's always good, because we're not going to sell in a dip. But yeah, we want to see that higher, of course. So let's see how that's going to continue in the upcoming months. And then we've got real estate, which is actually doing a bit better. So we own two of these shares of the Vanguard Global Real Estate Usage ETF. We own two of those, traded at around 43 euros, meaning that we have around 5.5% profit, which is actually not too shabby, I would say. And then big one, of course, guys, Bitcoin. In the future, we're also going to be making a video about Bitcoin and Ethereum as well, because we are also thinking about buying some Ethereum via Vanguard. So if you have any suggestions on other cryptocurrencies that we should buy, leave them down in the comments below as well. But we own 5 of these ETN shares, trading at around 19 euros. So that's currently a 12% profit. That's actually our biggest profit that we've made until now. So that's actually great, but they have been trading also at around, I think, 25, 26 euros as well. So let's see how that continues in the future, of course. Then we've got clean energy, the biggest loss that we currently made. We've got 10 shares of those trading at around 9.7 euros, meaning that that's a minus 13% loss. So that's not too good, but guys, we're not selling, right? So it's fine for now. Then we've got the Vanguard Semiconductors Usage ETF. We have 5 shares of these trading at around 23 euros. meaning that that's a 9.3% profit. So that's actually very good as well. Then the biggest two holdings that we own, and these are also the holdings that that, as you should also know, are our main focus, which are the S&P 500 UCITS ETF, as well as the Vanguard VWRL, the FTSE All World ETF. So we own 6 of the S&P 500, so currently 6, trading at around 73 euros, meaning that that's a 2.6% profit. And then the biggest holding, which is around 600 euros of our portfolio, that's the Vwrl. 6 shares we own, currently trading at around 102 euros. That's actually down from, I think it's all-time high of around 110 euros, if I'm not mistaken. But we still average like a very, I would say, good 4.8% profit. So actually, that's also going very well. And then let's show the complete overview. So in total, we currently have got invested 1.6k, which is actually quite good, I would say. And then we've got a profit of, let's say 50 euros for now. 50 euros of profit, which I would say is actually quite decent. Honestly, that's quite decent. So we're very happy about that. And as you can see, we also have the 5 euros available to trade. And let me see if I can show that to you as well. Because if we actually go to this screen, and then I need to put the filters a little bit back in time. So let's say the 1st of October, and then let's put in here dividends. Yes, there we go, guys. So here we actually see all of the dividend payments that we've received over the last couple of months, which is actually quite nice. So we do need to pay dividend tax as well. So that's what you see here in the minus. But then we at least got some positive dividends. So from VWRL, our biggest dividend that we've got paid out was $2.7. And then we've got here 0.95, and then 0.4, 0.84, and 0.48. So that's actually already something, right, guys? We only have a portfolio of around 1.6k. So I would say every dollar or every euro is one that we want to have, right? So that's good. That's at least the start, but we really want to expand this. We really want to go invest more money in the VWRL and the S&P 500, also allowing this dividend to be more. For example, this is our I would say our professional portfolio, our starters portfolio, but we also have like personal investment accounts as well. And in those, we do get sufficient dividend to actually buy a new stock, a new share, a new ETF every time we get paid out dividends. So let's say for this one, for VWRL, right, if you would be paid out like 110 or 105 euros, you can then buy with every dividend that you get paid out on a quarterly basis, you can buy additional shares every time you get paid out those dividends. So that's actually something great. That eventually is, of course, also our goal. So that's why we really want to build up these two positions as well. So guys, that was our portfolio update of the month February. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and then we'll see you in the next one, guys. Let's go.